Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Vishal from Maharaja Agarsen University, Badi, Himachal Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss about the module Entrepreneurial Competencies under the paper Tourism and Hospitality Entrepreneurship and Legal Environment. After completing this module, students, you will be able to understand the concept of competence and competencies, the difference between competence and competencies, various elements of competency, and various types of entrepreneurial competencies. The implication of competences in the field of entrepreneurship, and last but not the least, the process of developing entrepreneurial competences. Concept of competence and competency. To understand the meaning or concept of competency, it is important to have knowledge about the term competence, because the term competency has originated from the word competence. Understanding of competence concept will help to develop the clear idea about competency. Various academicians define these terms differently. Boethius describe competence as the characteristics of an entrepreneur which results in the form of superior or effective performance in the business activity. On the basis of this definition, we can describe that competence is the underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur through which he performs well. These underlying characteristics include personal traits such as knowledge, skills, personality, and attitude, etc. On the basis of this definition, Hogue has defined competency as demonstration of characteristics include skills and abilities which result in superior business performance. United Nations Industrial Development Corporation has defined competency as skills, knowledge, and other attributes which helps an entrepreneur to perform tasks in an effective and efficient manner. We can say entrepreneurial competence is the mix of skills, knowledge, and behavioral attributes of an entrepreneur that affect the performance of one's. Due to these attributes, few entrepreneurs perform really well while others lack. Competency helps an entrepreneur in effective and efficient functioning of an enterprise. Competency is the application of skill set, knowledge, and attitude for better performance of the job. It is the major differentiator between the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs. In practical, competency means how an entrepreneur is using his acquired knowledge and skills. For example, if an entrepreneur is having BTech in computer science degree and he is using his knowledge and skills in automation of the enterprises, it is his competency. Generally, the attributes of competency are not known to individual concern, and that is the reason behind the poor performance of the business. Students, due to globalization, liberalization, and privatization, entrepreneurs are facing many challenges and hurdle for the survival of the enterprise in the globalized era. Many entrepreneurs have started their own enterprise due to lucrative benefits of entrepreneurship, but only few run their business successfully while many others suffer huge losses due to various problems. Now, the question arises, why few entrepreneurs are successful and others are not? Is there any difference between the successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs? The obvious answer is yes. The success of business depends on the attitude of entrepreneurs and the qualities he or she possesses. The skills, knowledge, and other personal traits that an entrepreneur possesses are called entrepreneurial competences. Due to these competences, entrepreneurs are able to perform their business tasks better than others. To run any entrepreneurial activity successfully, competences are very essential. For modern era entrepreneur, it is very important to have understanding of entrepreneurial competences. Along with the understanding, it is also very crucial to identify the inborn competences and required competences so as to develop full range of entrepreneurial competences. Now, next question arises whether these competences can be injected or developed. There are various arguments for this question. Let us try to understand in detail about the term competence and competences and other related issues in this module. Attributes of entrepreneurial competency. In the above section, we have discussed the difference between competence and competency and also understand that both are complementary to each other. In this section, you will learn about the main elements or attributes of entrepreneurial competency. Following are the three major attributes or components of entrepreneurial competency, that is, knowledge, skill, and motive. Let's discuss now the difference between competence and competency. Most of the times, people use competence and competency interchangeably, which means both are the same. Now question arises, if both are same, then why there is a need to discuss both the terms separately? Famous academicians McClelland describes that both the terms, that is, competence and competency, are not the same and have different meaning. The basic difference between the two is that competence is underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur and competency is the behavioral aspect of the characteristics. The difference between both can be understood with the help of the following points. Competence is skill-based while competency is behavioral based. Competence covers the standard attained in one's life, whereas the competency is manner of behavior. Competence means what is measured and competency means how the standard is achieved. Let us try to understand these three attributes of entrepreneurial competency in detail with the help of examples. Knowledge. Knowledge means gathering information and retention of gathered information for further application to complete task. Knowledge is very important to complete any task but not sufficient. For example, an individual can understand the process of setting an enterprise by reading various books and further can describe the various aspects of business. But mere reading and description will not enable the individual to establish the enterprise. We see in real world that many entrepreneurs having full knowledge of business failed miserably during actual performance of the business tasks. This failure of entrepreneurs suggests that entrepreneurs also require something else to perform task well, and this something extra is skills to use or translate the knowledge into application. Skill. Skill simply means demonstration ability of knowledge which results into something that can be observed or seen. In other words, we can say it is sequence of behavior through which an entrepreneur apply his knowledge and create a system that can be observed by others. For example, when an entrepreneur applies his gathered information to create and run a successful enterprise, it is his skill. Knowledge can be acquired by reading and gathering information, while skill is acquired by practice. This implies that both knowledge and skill are important to run an enterprise successfully. Motive. Third important element of competence is motive. We can define motive as one's attitude and behavior to achieve goal. Famous behavioral scientist McClelland termed motive as achievement motivation. An entrepreneur can achieve success in his venture only he has motivation to achieve success. Continuous motive of success achievement directs an entrepreneur to perform job successfully. If we continue above example, we can say an entrepreneur can achieve success only if he has motivation to set and run an enterprise. Hence, in order to set and run an enterprise successfully, entrepreneurs require to possess all above discussed attributes, that is knowledge, skills and motivation, which together called entrepreneurial competences. Features of entrepreneurial competences. After discussing attributes of entrepreneurial competences, we can enlist the features of competences which are as follows. Entrepreneurial competences are the underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur. It leads to demonstration of knowledge which can be observed. Competences must lead to superior performance. Entrepreneurial competences can be acquired through information and practice. Khanka suggests a model of entrepreneurial competency through mathematical equation by using above discussed attributes of entrepreneurial competency. Competency is equal to competence plus commitment, where competence is equal to knowledge or skills, where commitment is equal to one's deep motivation or belief or attachment to the job. Khanka further enlists the detailed elements of entrepreneurial competence and commitment which are given below. Detailed components of competence: technical skills, basic operational information, business knowledge, communication skills, interpersonal skills, leadership quality, team spirit and team building skills, decision making skills, time management skills, work coordination skills. Components of commitment: self belief and confidence, motivation, hardworking spirit, honesty and integrity, dedication and determination, positive attitude, winning attitude, learning attitude, perseverance, enterprising nature, and result oriented. All discussed components are the contributors of superior performance, and if an entrepreneur wants to succeed in his venture, he has to work on acquisition of all above components of entrepreneurial competency. Entrepreneurial competencies. There is a long lasting debate that whether entrepreneurs are born or made. Most of the people believe that only those entrepreneurs succeed those have family background in business. This belief supports the myth that entrepreneurs are born, but there are so many examples that contradict this myth and support another fact that entrepreneurs are made, not born. Entrepreneurs can become successful by acquiring knowledge and skill set through education and experience. Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad, and many other researchers conducted research studies on this debatable topic. Entrepreneurial competences. Following are the major entrepreneurial competences identified by researcher which make a successful entrepreneur or results in superior performance. Detailed components of competence. Initiation. It is the first and foremost competency of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur must be vigilant, learn from mistakes, and make efforts to overcome hurdles. Try to gather as much information from researches and individuals as information helps to achieve goals. Quality consciousness is the key to achieve success and beat existing standards. Full dedication and determination to complete tasks. Efficiency is the key to success in business. Formulation of realistic and well researched plans. Proper and effective implementation of plans. Components of commitment. Never give up attitude and look for solution of problems. Self-confidence and self-belief. Convincing and persuasive personality. Efficient manager. Always consider employees as family member and try to work in team. Growth oriented attitude and enterprising person. Consider others' opinion and suggestion. Proper utilization of resources, will to take risk and adaptive nature, and high motivation and high need achievement. Other than above discussed competencies, following are also very important to perform tasks successfully and get desired results. Strategic competencies. Entrepreneurs must develop ability to operate his business according to competitors' plan of action to counter the possible competition. Full commitment should possess strong motivation to complete and run enterprises successfully and look to make dent in old traditions. Concept developer. Entrepreneurs must develop analytical competency to face complex situations and try to develop new concept to run business in most difficult situations. Entrepreneurs should be analytical, prompt decision maker, innovative, and creative. Opportunity seeker. Entrepreneurs should try to identify opportunities in every challenge, recognize and capture opportunities, and understand customers need to deliver superior customer value than competitors. Organizational competency. This competency includes knowledge and skills to lead, direct, motivate, and control workforce. Further, it covers planning, budgeting, and implementing the strategies. Learning attitude. Successful entrepreneurs always strive to learn from others' opinion, experience, and also form own mistakes. Learning competency also empowers entrepreneurs to acknowledge others' contribution and work. Competitive competency. It includes the ability to adopt and use new means of business such as technology adaptation, positive attitude towards change, and skills to use new technology. This also includes the ability to use and handle new instruments and tools of business operations. Social competency. Entrepreneurs are social animals and always live in society, so it is their responsibility to serve the society. They must meet their social obligations and always try to run enterprise which is beneficial for the society. Social responsibility competence enables entrepreneurs to get competitive advantage and survive in the competitive global world. How to develop entrepreneurial competences? We have already discussed that entrepreneurial competency, which is combination of competence and commitment, results in superior performance. Competence and commitment are underlying characteristics and behavioral aspects of one's personality. EDI Ahmedabad, in collaboration with D. McClelland, famous behavioral scientist, conducted the famous Kakinada experiment and found that entrepreneurial competency can be developed and injected in entrepreneurs' mind through proper monitoring, education and training. Kakinada experiment suggests following four tools or methods to sharpen entrepreneurs' competencies: competency identification and recognition, competency assessment, competency mapping, and development intervention. Let us discuss each method in brief to understand how one can develop entrepreneurial competencies. Competency identification and recognition. Before developing competencies, it is important to understand the meaning of competency and what are the attributes of competency. Competency begins with the conceptual knowledge of entrepreneurship, its behavior, and attributes. First step in competency development is identifying and recognizing the set of elements needs to complete the task effectively and successfully. You have already gone through the attributes of entrepreneurial competencies. Attributes of competency may vary from business to business. For example, to run a manufacturing enterprise, basic element is production process, whereas to run an automobile service center, key to success is service delivery and relationship management. Competency assessment. After identification and recognition of entrepreneurial competencies, next step is assessment of competency. This step includes assessing the already possessed competency of an entrepreneur so that these can be compared with standards. At This step, one's possessed competencies are enlisted and examined. This is done to analyze where one's stand and what are the additional requirements so that it can be decided whether an individual is ready to start an enterprise or something extra is required. This process is completed by asking various types of questions from prospective entrepreneur. Questions may include basics of business, enterprises, individual personality, likes, dislikes, knowledge, skills, and his level of motivation. This exercise helps to ascertain one's entrepreneurial competency level. Competency mapping. After identification and recognition of competency and assessing the level of possessed competency, next step is competency mapping. At this step, already possessed competences are compared with the required set of competences which are important to be a successful entrepreneur. During the competency mapping, gap analysis is done and remaining important competences are identified. Competency mapping is a process of identifying the deficiencies in comparison with standard. Complete list of competences are compared with possessed competences so as to develop the successful entrepreneur. A popular tool to map the entrepreneurial competency is skill to do, will to do chart. Skill to do mean the ability of entrepreneur to perform enterprise task or job, and will to do mean entrepreneur's desire, motivation, achievement to do the job. On the basis of this chart of skill to do or will to do, competency deficiencies are identified. After deficiencies identification, necessary competencies are injected or developed through proper education and training to become a successful entrepreneur. After developing the required competencies, entrepreneurs practice these competencies in day-to-day business life. Development intervention. After identifying, recognizing, assessing, mapping, injecting, and finally practicing of competences, next step is to make one's introspection of the practice to sharpen and strengthening the competences. Whole process is called review analysis or feedback. During review analysis, entrepreneurs' new behavior is analyzed. New behavior implies the behavior after injecting the requisite competencies. Development intervention helps an entrepreneur to assess his strengths and weaknesses. During this process, entrepreneur knows how the new competences have been proving its worth. This helps entrepreneurs to sustain or give up the particular behavior in his future action of entrepreneurship so he can adapt the changing environment to perform his tasks effectively. So, students, let's now summarize what we have learned in this module. Entrepreneurial competency is required to perform any entrepreneurial task effectively and get desired results. Entrepreneurial competences are the main difference between successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur may acquire competence which is underlying characteristics of an entrepreneur, but it is not enough to perform the task successfully. To perform tasks successfully, an entrepreneur need commitment along with the competence. Commitment is one's deep attachment to the job or enterprise, and this commitment leads application of acquired knowledge and skills into superior performance. Basic difference between competence and competency is former is what an entrepreneur can do and later is how he does. Three major attributes of entrepreneurial competency are knowledge, skills, and motives. These three attributes together form entrepreneurial competences. Few major entrepreneurial competences are initiation, opportunity seeker, quality conscious, self-confidence, etc. Few entrepreneurs have some of above discussed competences while others lack in few areas, but if these competences are not inherent, then these can also be acquired through various training and practice. To develop entrepreneurial competences, one can follow the process discussed in this module and can succeed in his entrepreneurial initiative. Without competences, it is very hard to survive in the world of competitive entrepreneurship. So one has to work hard for the development of entrepreneurial competences. Thank you very much.